Hey guys, today I just want to try and pick this 7-pin tubular lock, and I will try and SPP this one. So let's get it in the vise and let's see what we can do there. And first I just have to take this down. I think that is enough, and get it up there. And see if it can turn. It turns nicely and freely. Alright, let's see if I can do this, if I just can get the little tension tool. I don't have the new one, Lockmanialocks have designed, not yet at least. I would like to get it. Alright, 1, 2, 3, little turn, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over there, and 7, and 1 again, 2, oh, there we go, and it's open. Alright, take this out. Let us just quickly pick it back again. Alright, where's pin 1? Oh, it's right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh, it was stuck, 7, 1, 2, 3, I need to get another pick for this. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, come on, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, repeating itself all over. And why doesn't it come back? Alright, let me just turn this a little bit. I can't see anything. There we go. I hope I can see something in there now. And give it another try. Even though this is just a Chinese lock, I really have some problem with it. But I'm still very new at these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Oh, there we go. Alright. Patience, and it does come. Alright guys, just a little quick one there. So, thanks for watching guys. Have a good day.